Welcome to Buddha's International TV special news bulletin on sound therapy. Most of the diseases, most of the psychological diseases also can be cured based on the sound therapy. This is the main topic today we have, and today's discussion is completely based on the not only sound therapy but also how sound works and what is meant by that one. And Master Manhal will play some sound therapy music also. In today's discussion, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN representative and president of Human Rights Council of America and dean of World Health University, okay, participating from United States of America. Master Manhal Tausis, sound therapy, Tai Chi Master, Program Director, Institute of Natural Medicine, Kathmandu, Nepal. He is going to play the sound therapy. I am Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, medical nutritionist, psychologist, and clinical hypnotist. Welcome to today's show. Master Manhal, could you please explain to our viewers what is meant by sound therapy?
Okay, the sound is different than therapy. Sound is sometimes music. Sometimes we have some kind of dancing or good feeling when we hear some sound, very nice sound. Therapy, that means we're talking about blood and glands, organs, brain. It's something different. That's why we mix the sounds and with our body. That means we must mix the music, how to heal ourselves by therapy things. That means we're talking about physical things. I don't want to talk about the auras, the chakras, because this thing is a different thing. Therapy, it's about the body and how to heal ourselves by sound. Because you have sound like in India or Nepal, like Arati, kirtan, dancing, therapy, you feel happy. Happiness, that the feeling of happiness is about the energy. But therapy is about physical things. That means we're talking about the blood and the water. Because usually the human being, we are 70%, more than 70% water. That means when you make the single balls, inside you put some water and make some grounding sound, you feel the water like the boiling, the water. Why? Because usually it's fixed with the 70% of the water of the body. That's when sometimes we make techniques, you lay down and we make around you 7, 8 single balls, big one, and make the sounds. I'm not talking about the chakras. Chakras is different way. Something about sound like make you depends on what's your temper. Because in my opinion, every human have different temper. You are fire more, you have anger more. Maybe I have more tired all the time. That's how to use the sound to my temper. How to use my sound to make me more active. That's why it depends the therapy about the blood and it's about the water. And like in liver, you have liver 30% water. You have the kidneys maybe more than 90% water. It gives you the effect by vibration with the water. By water, it's like 1,700 meter every second. 1,700 meter every second, effect with the water. Outside, with the air, 400. That means it's very powerful with the water more. And the water, we're talking about now the blood. And the blood, the system of the blood. We have the cells. We have billion cells inside us. There's many problems about the blood. By vibration, we fix the cells, in good way. Sometimes some cells have some problem, but every cell has energy. 1.4 volts each cell. And every cell has brain has memory. It's going here and there. That's why we have trillions cells in our body. By single pulse, by vibration, fix the cells. Any problem in cells is fix it in good way. That means it's good for the water and good for the blood. That's why usually it's even good for the chakras, for the balancing chakras, for the aura. This one different way. This one like spiritual side. I'm talking about therapy. Something, but my opinion, before you make the session with anyone, you must ask him if what problem he has. Because usually maybe someone has migraine. Sometimes the thing was not good for him. The teacher must give him some kind of low sound. Depends what how he have problem. This one usually when we make the sound today, this one is like bad. Everyone lay down and only receiving the energy. But sometimes we make the single voice therapy with some reason, some problems he have. Maybe have problems with the muscles. You have pain with the muscles. That's why we make some massage therapy by vibration on his body. Sometimes they have problem in the kidneys, toxin. That's why we mix the vibration on the body, not around it. Sometimes, like today, we make the sound today is bad. That means lay down and relax and try to calm you down. Calm your mind. Don't think about anything. In therapy, there's many ways. Usually, it's physicality. It fixes the physicality and the muscles. But I'm not talking about, as I told you, about the universe, the different stories. Because usually we talk about therapy. Therapy is about physical thing. It's very powerful because you talk about water and talk about the blood. And after that you will have the glands, organs. You can fix the problem with the organs and the glands. The glands, sometimes it connects with the circuitry of the brain. The brain is the supervisor of all the glands. That's why when you have singles here, some vibration, it helps to calm down. After that, it gives the orders to the glands to relax. Thymus, thyroid, adrenaline, nervous system should be more calm. This one is about the therapy. It's more deeper than anything else.
Thank you very much, Master Manhal. And Dr. Shah,
Welcome.
could you please comment about this sound therapy in a few words, in 1 or 2 minutes, briefly?
Yes, thank you, Dr. Para. Sound therapy is an important therapy in alternative medicine. Alternative medicine have about 100 therapy, but one is the important therapy is the sound therapy. Because the sound therapy direct contact in our mind, and mind is our powerhouse in the body. So they contact, and lot of disease lot of disease coming through stress, mental problem. So my opinion, sound therapy, music therapy is controlled completely in the stress, curing the stress, mind problem. So this is good. And manual health. So this is, I think, the good leader for sound therapy, good doctor for sound therapy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Dr. Khan is our family member, so they have a lot of knowledge. And other thing, in European country, about 100 years ago, and now also found for then if count cow coming, then if machine take that. So in the hospital also,
Yes. yes, sir.
So then, and I think Menhal have also in Kathmandu big hall for sound therapy. So and he treatment a lot of people there. So I am so happy with Dr. Menhal Dosis, and thank you Dr. Karki also, because Karki coordinate for this thing, Dr. Karki. So,
Yes, sir.
and we will very soon we will second part of sound therapy.
Okay, okay, sir.
So-
Okay, we'll see that one. And Master Manal, could you please play some sound therapy music to our viewers? With because a little bit of loud is required, because on the day what happened means 2 times we recorded, but because of that low volume and our viewers could not see that one. Please, could you?
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay, low volume. Dr. Shah, is it audible, sir, to you?
Yeah, a small sound is okay.
Okay. Okay, Master Manhal, because it is not audible at all, so that's why. Okay, no problem at all, and we need to shoot directly, I think. Now, Dr. Shah, is it audible to you, sir?
Yeah, small, but that theoretical thing is better because sound is little bit far, so theoretically better.
Theoretically explain each and everything, sir. Theoretically explain each and everything. So I think we have to shoot directly, sir. Okay, no problem. We'll do that work. And I will intimate to Dr. Jibacha Shah. Whenever Jibacha Shah is coming means, he will shoot. I will tell him, tell the person how to shoot the video so that he can shoot, and from that we can. Because Dr. Karki is not doing the work. I think may be difficult for him. Okay, thank you.
Today is nice.
Yes. Thank you very much, Master Manhal. And I can hear your audio, but where you use your mic, but whereas come to that instruments, music and sounds are not audible. Okay, no problem. Anyway, thank you very much, because no doubt sound therapy is playing very important role, and hundreds of years ago also in the particularly Europe and most of the hospitals they played a different type of music, because after listening the music, different people like different type of sounds, and their body cells are completely activated. And if the body cells are activated means it is working, okay, and immune system also improves to a maximum extent. That's why fighting against the diseases. And this is the concept we are following. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, doctor.
Can I have a full question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The blood. Yeah.
Dr. Menal, I have some question because this is the regarding. So, what kind of patient you are treated in the music therapy?
Sorry, what kind? What?
What kind of patient? What kind of disease you treated in the music therapy in the Kathmandu?
The question is,
You mean
did you apply this sound therapy to treat any disease to any particular patient?
usually sometimes you have some people with some usually you have some problem with the unconsciousness. Usually because before I make any decide, before make the session, I must talk with him at least 1 hour. I usually retreat sometimes because usually anything connect with the unconsciousness. It's not about something feel good now after 2 hours. The same thing will problem come back. I must know exactly what problem he have. That's why I give him the session exactly with which problem he have. Usually the problem is most about more unconsciousness problem. Usually they have problem with the families, father died, mother died, accidents, many emotional problems more. Because usually emotional problems are becoming physical problems. You know that.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have problem with the heart, sometimes you have problem with the liver, sometimes problem with the kidneys. That means we have problem with the adrenaline. That means we must fix the problem in the beginnings, not about only to make the sound. That's why she must make the homework. Homework about not only session. I always help people how to continue the medicine thing by himself after the sessions.
Okay.
But usually it's not only session. It's not about something. That's why there's many diseases, emotional disease, and usually some problem with the knees and the kidneys problems, and usually some problem with the kidneys more. But usually I connect this one with the emotional thing, emotion, because usually everything is about emotion. After that becoming physical, nothing physical directly. Something happened in the past.
Okay.
It's a long story. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, so you are great. And I have one question more.
Yeah. Any question?
What time is preferred for sound therapy? Any time is fixed for morning or day, night?
Usually this question like yoga, sometimes make meditation. Some people make meditation in the evening, but usually in India or any yoga, real yoga, it's between 6 and 6:30 in the morning. The meditation must be, but usually it depends your time. It's not about sometimes maybe you don't have time in the morning. It's about your lifestyle.
Okay.
I can't tell him make. That's why I can't make this one. Make it the morning. Usually it depends which kind of therapy I must do. In the morning, usually it's more sound. It's more sound. Not like this. No. Usually we make this sitting. No. We have some.